So, hello guys. So, the topic today is about unit conversions sa metric prefixes only guys ha. So, first, etong table na to is yung gagamitin nating conversion. So, sa the deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, atto, zepto, yocto is negative sila guys kung napapansin nyo. Gets? While dito sa deca is all positive exponent. Gets? So, to memorize this guys, may technique dyan to memorize. First, 1, 2, 3. The next divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Gets? So, while dito sa kabila is positive. Then 1, 2, 3. Then divisible by 3. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. So, ganun siya i-memorize yung sa mga multiples. While dito guys is mano-mano na siyang i-memorize. While dito sa symbol is all the negative exponent is small letters sila lahat. While this one is called the micro. Micro yan guys, gets? While dito sa kabila is capital letters sila. While dito sa deca, hecto, and kilo is hindi sila naka-capital letter. Gets? So, first problem is 0.010 megawatts. So, the megawatts, bakit megawatts yan? Capital letter M. Then, capital letter M, 2 kilowatts. What is the kilowatts? Ito yun. Gets? So, first, is that, ito muna. First natin yan gagawin is 0.010 megawatts. I-multiply natin yan sa ang 1 megawatts is equal sa megawatts. What is the megawatts? 10 raised to 6. 10 raised to 6 watts. Watts na lang kasi siya kasi yung mega na letter M nandito na siya sa 10 raised to 6. Gets? And then multiply by what? Ang 2 kilowatts i-convert natin into what? Kilowatts. So, ang kilowatts 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 ang ilalagay sa ibaba. Then, watts. Ang letter K is naka-insert na siya 10 raised to 3. While dito sa taas is ang 1 kilowatts daw ay katumbas ng 10 raised to 3 watts. So, dapat makancel to. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Ang natira is watts. Gets? So, next natin ang gawin is insert na sa iyong calculator. Times 10 raised to 6 times 1 over 10 raised to 3. So, the answer is equals to 10 kilowatts. So, eto na yung answer ng 0.010 megawatts to kilowatts. Gets? O next is the 5 gigabytes. So, 5 GB, capital G, capital G kasi, burahin natin to. Gigabytes siya. Naka-capital G and giga. What is the giga? Ito, the value of giga, 10 raised to 9. So, times to 1 GB, 10 raised to 9 bytes na lang. Multiply sa picobytes. What is the value of pico? Pico 10 raised to negative 12 with the letter of small p. 10 raised to negative 12 p and 1 p b. Ang b is represents as bytes. Gets o game input na sa yung calcu times 1 over 10 raised to negative 12. The answer is 5 times 10 raised to 21 p. That is the picobytes. Gets? O next, the 1 megameter convert to millimeter. So first, 1 megameter. Capital letter M, ito yun, with a value of 10 raised to 6. Times natin sa 1 megameter with a value of 10 raised to 6 meter. And i-convert daw natin sa small m, which is the milli, 10 raised to negative 3 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters of 1 millimeter is equals to what? 1 times 10 raised to 6 times 1 over 10 raised to negative of 3. So the answer is 1 times 10 raised to 9 millimeter. So this will be our final answer. Gets? So ganun lang, gumamit ng metric prefixes. Gets? So etong subject na to ay lahat ng subject chemistry, physics, or mathematics. Gets? So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.